How are you guys? Okay, that's really amazing. I'm really happy after seeing you all here in the class. And today, just let me tell you what exactly your session is going to be. Guys, आप सभी ने बहुत सारी स्टोरी नरेट की होंगी अपनी क्लासेस में, राइट? बट टुडे देयर इज अ डिफरेंट सेशन. दैट थीम इज मोरल बेस्ड स्टोरी टेलिंग. मतलब आपको कोई एक ऐसी स्टोरी के साथ आना है जिसके पीछे एक लर्निंग होनी चाहिए, एक मोरल होना चाहिए, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई टुडेज एक्टिविटीज नेम इज मोरल बेस्ड स्टोरी टेलिंग सेशन. सो आर यू ऑल रेडी फॉर दिस? How much ready? This much or this much? This much. Okay.
Aloo lele, gobi lele, bhindi lele. Arey, whose phone is this? Hello? What? Yeah, bring pencil, eraser, sharpener. Okay. Oh, I think there is a story between pencil, eraser, sharpener. Yeah, I get it. Guys, you all must have these pencil, normal stationaries, eraser, sharpener. Everyone have. But there's a very big moral behind it. And that moral is, let me tell you a story first. In a pencil pouch, there was a small eraser and a pencil. And this eraser always saying that a pencil get all the attention, pencil is very good, she can write anything, but me just erase and disappear. And see, pencil writes stories, draw, does homework, but I just erase words. I want to become a pencil. She was talking to then eraser go and talk to sharpener saying, I want to become a pencil. Sharpener said, why? The eraser said, because all the attention goes to the pencil only. Then sharpener said, no, you are wrong, because eraser matters also, because if there will be no eraser, so mistakes can't erase. But the eraser was not listening to sharpener. He was saying, no, I want to become. Then next day, there was a student and it was a final exam. And he wrote, the student name was Sam. He was writing something and suddenly there was a spelling mistake. He was finding the eraser, but the eraser was hiding. Why? Because today she was saying, I want strike. I don't want that I will do work today. Then obviously the time has gone and Sam has to cut so that's why paper got dirty and then he got less marks. So it is at that time the teacher was saying that because of the eraser, why don't you use eraser? If you have eraser, so you get first position and your 1 mark got deducted. The eraser was listening that and she felt very terrible and saying that, oh, why did I do this? I should not. So the moral of the story is, if your role is too small, give value to every job, because if your role is too small, at least if you have a role and job too, because every job has value. Hello, aloo lele, gobi lele, bhindi lele. Yeah, I am coming. I brought it. Thank you so much.
Literally so creative. Not just creative, the learning which she shared with us, that was literally so valuable, guys. That is literally so valuable. Just try to understand how everything has got equal importance in our life. मतलब अगर हम बात करें एक पेंसिल की और एक इरेजर की, दोनों चीजों की अपनी अपनी की इम्पोर्टेंस है. एक चीज जो हमें लिखने में मदद करती है और दूसरी चीज जो हमें इरेज करने में मदद करती है, राइट? So never ever compare anything. Everything has got the equal importance in the life. So clap for Tanvi's performance, guys. Very good, Tanvi. I liked your performance. Okay, guys. Now for the next performance, would love to call again a girl, and she will narrate a story which will really tell us or give us any learning which will be helpful in our daily life. So the person is Shivanshi.
Guys, I have the greatest wealth of the world, that is wisdom. So today My name is Shivanshi and I am going to narrate a story which title is Importance of Wisdom. So let's start. Once upon a time, there was a kingdom in which the king announced that if I'm going to ask 3 questions to every villager. Who will answer me right? My daughter will marry to him. So every villager came to the palace and tried their best, but no one could answer the king right. So in that kingdom, a merchant also lived. He also thought that if my luck is good, so I can marry the princess. I can become the prince. But his luck was also not good. He also couldn't win. So in that kingdom, a shepherd also lived. He met to merchant and said, "Why are you so sad, merchant brother?" Then merchant answered that because I went to palace, the king has announced that thing, that who will answer my question, my daughter will marry to him. So everyone tried their best. I also even tried my best, but I couldn't answer. Then the shepherd was very clever. He said that I will wear your clothes and go to the palace and answer the king's question. So he went to the palace and asked that your majesty, I am here to answer your all questions. So the king was shocked. He said that, okay, answer this question. How many stars are there in the sky? So the shepherd answered that as the hair on the horse or goat's tail. If you are not believing me, so you can go and count. So the king was shocked. Next question was, where is the center of the world? Then the shepherd answered that, where is the foot of my ox? It is right here only. You can measure it. Now the king was impressed by his question. So now the next question he asked, what is going on in my mind? So he answered very cleverly. He said that you are thinking that I am a merchant, but I am not a merchant. I am a shepherd. He revealed his identity and answered the whole question and win and marry the princess. So the moral of this story is, the intelligence and the mindset is the greatest wealth. Thank you.
That's really true. The greatest wealth of the world is your own intelligence or your wisdom, right? Clap for Shivanshi, guys. It was good performance, by the way. Now, guys, listen to me. As you know, we have done with our session, and today's session was all about learning's moral, but by the help of stories. So, I want you to, whatever the morals you have got in your life, or whatever the moral you have understood from today's session, just try to implement in your life. क्योंकि हर एक लर्निंग तभी यूजफुल हो पाती है जब हम उसे अपनी लाइफ में इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं. अदरवाइज एक कान से सुना और एक कान से निकाल दिया. So we are not like this, right? So we have to implement all the learnings in our life, right, guys? Clap for yourself, everyone. Now we'll be meeting you tomorrow.